Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, very quick video, another knot coming at you. If you know how to tie the four-in-hand knot, guess what? You'll be able to master this knot, no problem. If I move a little bit closer, this one is called the Van Wijk knot. Look at this here, very nice, very cool. We have 1, 2, 3 tiers. It looks very nice near the top of the collar. So I'm going to be tying that today. Let me take this down, we'll get started. All right, so I got the bigger end on my right shoulder, smaller end on my left. And like I've mentioned many times, you want to try and have the bigger end finish at your belt line. Because this knot likes to use up some fabric, I'm going to position my smaller end on my third button. I normally position on my 4 for my 5th, but because, like I said, there's extra fabric, I'm going to position on my third. So again, it's 4-in-hand steps. I'm going to take the bigger end, I'm going to cross over. I'm going to bring it underneath, and then I like to utilize my index finger here, and I point it down. So I'm going to just position my finger there, and normally with the 4-in-hand knot, you would go around once. Well, we're doing that, but we're going to bring it back underneath. We're going to go around twice, back underneath, and then one more time. And then, like I said, it's all 4-in-hand knot steps now. I'm going to take my bigger end. I'm going to go up my neck, bring it up. And then you see that I still have my finger right there. This is going to be the tricky part. When we do our loops there, we want to make sure that they're pretty loose because I now have to force pretty much this fabric down all 3 of those loops. So I'm going to take my finger out, and then, like I said, this might take a while, but I'm trying to feed that bigger end all the way down so I can grab it from the end, the bottom, and then I'm going to pretty much force it all the way through. Like so. That was a little easier than I thought. Anyways, to move this knot to the top of your collar, I'm going to pull down on the smaller end and I'm going to push up on the knot itself. We'll fix it after, so I'm going to do that right now. And then I'm going to pop down my collar. Now, this is the fun part because, like I said, we want to show off those 3 tiers. So I can come in a little closer and then I can just sort of fish them all out and space them out a little bit until I get 1, 2, 3. Look at that, very easy. Like I said, if you're a beginner, you know how to tie the 4-in-hand knot. Guess what? You just learned how to tie the Van Wijk knot. There's only 2 more steps and 2 crosses. It's all 4-in-hand steps, but just 2 extra steps. So another knot to your arsenal. Again, it looks pretty cool. Would I wear this out in a business setting? Probably not. But if you got a cool event, just a casual event, you want to spice things up, Van Wijk looks pretty good. And let me highlight that to actually get the full effect here, obviously you could probably tell too, solid color tie makes those tiers actually pop. So again, Van Wijk, very easy to tie. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe for more videos in 2025, how to tie. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.